Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you for joining my presentation today. My name is Rosi Purnama Asri from Indonesian Language and Literature Education Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Today, we will discuss a crucial topic, holistic politeness strategy in the discourse of Deddy Corbuzier YouTube podcast. Komeng, I'm Uhui right now. Right, DPD. First of all, introduction. Politeness in action requires special attention and example given by teacher, lecturer, and society at large. YouTube, being one of the most popular platforms, is growing rapidly, especially with the many YouTube channels opened by private television companies in Indonesia. Holistic politeness is a concept that encompasses politeness and kindness in all aspects of life, including in social interaction, communication, and everyday behavior. It emphasizes the importance of paying attention to and respecting the needs and feelings of others as a whole. The research shows the holistic politeness strategy because people often have difficulty understanding the speaker intent. There is in interest in studying holistic politeness strategies, which are widely found on social media such as YouTube, because people have difficulty identifying issue and argument in broadcast. Therefore, this is research is focused on holistic politeness strategy in Deddy Corbuzier YouTube podcast Komeng Gue Uhulkan DPD. Next, research method. This research uses descriptive qualitative research. The object of study in this research is holistic politeness strategy. The data used is information collected in the form of words and sentences that lead to holistic politeness. The data source of this research is Deddy Corbuzier YouTube. The data collection technique of this research is listening and recording. The data analysis technique in this study use the intralingual equivalent method, which is reinforced by external lingual equivalent technique. Results and discussion. This research discussion the application of holistic politeness strategy in the podcast Komeng Gue Uhukan DPD on YouTube based on Brown and Levinson theory. The strategies analysis include 1. Direct strategy, 2. Positive politeness, 3. Negative politeness, and 4. Indirect strategy. Research focus on the communication between Deddy Corbuzier DC as the host and Komeng KM as the interviewer. Number 1, direct order. In table 1, the politeness strategy direct order involves giving instruction or invitation. In data 1, KM use a direct order to suggest a reciprocal relationship between the community and the government. In data 2, the strategy is reflect in the government potential to issue strict instruction and direct campaigns to ensure people understand the importance of their participants in social, economic, or environmental activity. Number 2, direct statement or question. In table 2, the direct politeness strategy direct statement or question involves providing information or explanation. In data 3, that they say use a direct question to highlight talent faced by senior comedians from with reflection on their economic and professional difficulties. Similarly, in data 4, they say direct question challenge the audience asking whether Indonesia can do more than just research outside influence and inside promote Indonesian culture globally. Number 3, course in the direct politeness strategy caught in expression opinion or criticism is evident in the exhibit in Data 5. KM used this strategy by boldly criticizing how developed country priority their culture while Indonesia might fall short in this area in Data 6, KM takes a cheaper approach, reducing the development and achievement gap between Indonesia and Korea, particularly in the creative industry and technology. Number 4, delivering notice or information. In Table 4, the direct politeness strategy delivering notice or information is used the fit. In Data 7, KM delivery information about how developed country priority their culture, emphasizing its role in national progress. In Data 8, KM provides a direct comparison of human resource potential between Indonesia and Korea, inspiring the audience to reflect on Indonesian untapped potential. Number 5, exaggerating interest, approval, or sympathy for the interlocutor. In Table 5, the positive politeness strategy of increasing interest, approval, or sympathy is evident. In Data 9, they say exaggerating his interest and sympathy for Indonesian artists and cultures, expressing gratitude and recognition for this effort. In Data 10, they use the strategy of giving extensive prizes, saying, I salute, to show his sympathy and interest in the concept of strategy sense, which might be unexpected. Number 6, reinforcing the interlocutor interest. In Table 6, the positive politeness strategy of showing interest in the speech partner is defended. In Data 11, DT asks a question that accounts positive thinking and supports KM potential, strengthening KM's position and showing concern for his progress. In Data 12, DT reinforced the importance of supporting artists and culture works by recognizing their struggle and expressing the need for support for various parties. Number 7, showing understanding or attention the interlocutor wishes. In Table 7, the positive politeness strategy in evidence. In Data 7, showing understanding or attention to in the interlocutor wishes. In Table 7, the positive politeness strategy is defined. In Data 13, data show attention to KM's desire to become a people representative by offering prayer and support, demonstrating care for KM aspiration. In Data 14, data express admiration for KM Sainriti, appreciating his commitment and reflection, understanding, and attention to the speech partner good attention. Number 8, rewarding. In Table 8, the positive politeness strategy is evident. In Data 15, data indirectly credit the idea of implementing national value and maintaining a sense of national in events, showing appreciation for the importance of such value in Data 16, they say directly give credit to KM by saying I salute and very, very salute, expressing admiration and high appreciation for KM character, principle, and clarity. expression indirectly. In Table 9, the negative politeness strategy is defined. In Data 17, they use a direct approach to criticize the influence of outside culture of Indonesia, choosing the more subtle word unnoticed instead of directly mentioning domains or criticizing the state. In Data 18, KM indirectly criticizing the government lack of support for culture potential expression is subtle by saying I must be supported by the government rather than making a direct statement. Number 10, expressing the action of the interlocutor is very valuable to the speaker. In Table 10, the negative politeness strategy is found in Data 19, KM subtle criticizes the inequality between Indonesia and Korea, using a salty, sarcastic tone to highlight Korea remarkable achievement despite being smaller. He implies that Korea's success can serve as valuable lesson. In Data 20, KM emphasizes that comedy, an important part of culture, lacks proper attention, using the term non-existent to suggest that comedy deserves more support from both the government and society. Number 11. Queuing. In Table 11, the indirect strategy is abandoned. In Data 21, DT used a question to subtle reflection on the importance of comedy, including the audience to think about its role in culture and entertainment without directly stating its significance. In the 2022, they say hints and the need for the Indonesian representative in the international film industry by suggesting that there shall be one Indonesian actor, signaling the importance of the without explicitly stating it. 12. Doing metaphors. In Table 12, the indirect strategy is found in Data 23, KM used the metaphor making a movement to suggest that effort or reputation should have an element of caring or non-transparency, emphasizing the importance of hidden strategy in initiation change. In Data 24, KM compares taking care and ngelawak comedy, indirectly expressing that comedy is a core part of this identity, remaining significant despite his involvement in other activities. And conclusion. These results show one, self-direct strategy understand, including comment, statement, question, expression, opinion, and providing information. Number two, very positive politeness strategy such as expressing interest or sympathy, reinforcing interest, showing attention, and giving awards. Number three, six negative politeness strategy such as indirect statement and recognizing the interlocutor action as valuable. Number four, seek indirect strategy including gesture and metaphor. By using both positive and negative strategy, they maintain conventional harmony, avoid conflict, and engage the audience without disrespect. The use direct and indirect strategy highlights their understanding of communication dynamics while maintaining harmony. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation can provide knowledge for all of us. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Let's continue to work together in the future. Thank you again and have a nice day. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.